Kevin and Sarah Chabot, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Kangen water K8 filter. So first, you get the K8 filter. Here's the box. Open it up, and remember, this is the filter for the K8. Okay, it's called the F8. You can order it on the website. It's a premium filter. Okay, open up the box. Take out the filter. The filter is brand new. Comes with a cool sticker you can put on the back of your filter to let you know when you installed it. So what we're going to do is just take it out of the package here. I'm going to set this box aside. And here's the filter. Okay, we're going to put this down for a second right there. We're going to take off the plate. Just comes right off like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to unlock this lever to release the old filter. We're going to take the filter out. Very simple, very easy. And we are going to replace it with the brand new filter. Make sure the black rings are on, just like so. Pop it in. And the machine says the filter has been reset. It recognizes a brand new filter. Lock it into place. Put the plate back on. And you're going to want to do this only one time. Every single time you replace a filter, you want to run the machine for about a minute on the clean water option. And what this does, this activates your filter. And so you'll only have to do this one time with a brand new filter. And you run it for a few minutes. And yeah, you're good to go.